Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something that will excite every car lover, the return of an American muscle legend, the Chevrolet Chevelle SS 2026. This is not just a car, it is a modern rebirth of one of the most iconic names in muscle car history, blending raw power, aggressive design, and futuristic technology into a single package that has already set the automotive world on fire. If you are someone who loves muscle cars, performance vehicles, or just legendary machines brought back to life, then stay tuned because this ride will blow your mind. The Chevrolet Chevelle SS has always carried a reputation for being one of the most powerful, aggressive, and exciting cars on the road. Back in the late 1960s and early 1970s, it was known for massive engines, a bold look, and that unmistakable growl of American V8 muscle. Now, after decades, Chevrolet is reviving the Chevelle SS for 2026, and it's more powerful, more futuristic, and more intimidating than ever before. Fans who have been waiting for years to see this legend reborn are finally getting what they asked for, and it's worth the wait. The first thing you will notice about the 2026 Chevelle SS is its bold and aggressive design. Chevrolet has combined retro-inspired elements from the original Chevelle with a futuristic look that makes it stand out on the road. The wide stance, muscular lines, sharp LED headlights, and a menacing front grille give it an intimidating presence. It looks like a beast ready to pounce, but at the same time, it has a modern sleekness that makes it futuristic. The designers made sure to keep the spirit of the 70s muscle era alive, but they also added today's cutting-edge design language to keep it relevant for the next generation. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Chevelle SS 2026 really shines. Under the hood, it is rumored to come with multiple powertrain options. The top model will likely carry a monstrous V8 engine producing well over 600 horsepower, capable of launching the car from 0 to 60 in just around 3 seconds. That's supercar territory, but in a muscle car body. For those looking for a greener option, Chevrolet might even introduce a hybrid-assisted version, combining electric motors with raw V8 power for insane acceleration and better efficiency. And who knows, with Chevrolet pushing EV technology, there might even be a fully electric Chevelle SS option in the near future, keeping up with the trend while still giving us heart-stopping performance. Inside, the Chevelle SS 2026 takes things to the next level. Gone are the days of simple muscle car interiors. This one is loaded with futuristic technology. Expect a fully digital cockpit, a massive infotainment screen with AI integration, premium leather and suede materials, customizable, ambient lighting, and of course racing-inspired seats to hold you tight during those high-speed drives. Chevrolet has made sure this car is not just about raw power, but also about giving drivers a luxurious and modern experience behind the wheel. Driving dynamics are also expected to be top-notch, with advanced suspension systems performance-tuned. Steering and multiple driving modes, the Chevelle SS will not only dominate in straight-line speed, but also handle corners like a true performance machine. Whether you are on the highway, the drag strip, or a winding mountain road, this car will deliver thrills like never before. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is more than just a car, it's a statement. It shows that Chevrolet respects its heritage, but is also ready to embrace the future. Fans of the old-school muscle cars will see the spirit of the past, while new generation enthusiasts will fall in love with the technology, luxury, and futuristic performance. This is truly the rebirth of an icon, a machine built to dominate, and a legend reborn for the modern age. So that's the story of the Chevrolet Chevelle SS 2026, a car that has brought back the heart and soul of American muscle while embracing the future. If you are as excited as I am about this beast, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos where we explore the most exciting cars of the future. Thank you for watching, and welcome once again to my channel.